Okay guys, I want to show you something special. We did this Mercedes S560, I believe. We did some red accents on this car. The red bottom trim was originally silver. We did it red. The mirror we did in red. And also we did the brake calipers in red. And we did the trim on the back diffuser in red. It's a 580, I'm sorry guys, S580. We did the trim over here in red, the mirror in red, and also we did the bottom trim on the front spoiler in red. So if you want to change your car with just little subtle changes to make it different, to make it stand out without doing anything drastic, we can do it. HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com, 713-942-0294. Guys, this is another reason why we are the best.